Colby, I got one question for you.
Yeah?
What's it like to date a girl that's got a cooler car than you?
That's fucked up. You wouldn't know.
Rip!
Yes, I need lug bolts for a 2016 GTI. Okay, how much are they?
They're $4.74 a piece.
Oh, big old bet.
Colby, what's going on? You want to explain what we're doing here?
We're going to get new lug nuts, new lug bolts, because the key that we have doesn't work.
Why doesn't the key work?
I'm a dumbass. And I told my girlfriend to order this one, and yeah.
And we're in the
doesn't work.
Nowhere, so now we gotta drive half an hour just to the parts store.
Do we really?
Have I ever had Rob's, bro? I ate at Rob's every day when I was in college.
Shout out to our sponsor.
Shout out to our sponsor, Duncan.
You can't say that.
All right, well, can you please sponsor
That's how
us?
I got blocked by Miller Lite on Instagram.
Really?
Yep.
All right, well, we'll edit this out, but I want to say a quick thank you to Duncan. You know, please sponsor us. Fuels all of us. You know, shout out Duncan.
Make it. It's okay, it has new brakes. New-ish brakes.
You haven't felt power since until you've been in a Subaru Legacy,
I
baby.
hate this car.
Volkswagens, man. Let me tell you. All right, picked up the essentials. What we need to complete job today, unfortunately. Thank you, Fisher Auto Parts.
Basically, Colby told Morgan to order the wrong 7-spline socket for her aftermarket lug bolts. So we had to run to Fisher's Auto Parts, buy OEM lugs, and we can't get the aftermarket ones off, so Brendan pounded a socket one there with a hammer,
And it's probably not working. It's just rounded off.
sick.
Yep, that's not working.
Fuck. We got it off though.
Forgot that's not even the problem that we're here to fix.
Hell no. We gotta pretty much rebuild the top of the strut. There's like a little plastic bearing in there, or a couple bearings, and we just have to, oh, that's nice and loose.
That's probably your issue right there.
That's one of them. Look at that. I should have fixed that a while ago. But anywho.
Or diagnose the car instead of shotgun parts at it.
Just this little kit here. She's been having issues with pressure loss. And it sounds like it's
That
tough.
doesn't have anything to do with pressure loss.
Disclaimer, we have no idea what the heck we're doing. Don't look at us like we're the professionals. Well, maybe he is. But
I'm not.
Where's Colby at, Brendan?
Inside shitting instead of working on his car. This is every single time.
Well, we dropped the strut, had to take the axle bolt out of the end. I had to sit on the brake while they hit that with the impact. If you're doing this on a Mark 7, a 15/16 12-point socket works on that triple square.
It's fantastic.
perfect. We need to drop the control arm and then pull this out of the axle, and then we'll be able to get this out.
Okay. I'm gonna lift it up some. Got it out.
I think that's the issue. I don't know. She said it sounds like it's bottoming out. Gotta take all this out.
What are you waiting for?
Alright, so that's first. Pop all this shit out then.
Probably a snap thing.
So to rebuild the top of this, just 2 of these thin spacers, then 1 of these, and then where's the top hat? Then this, then you have another one of these that goes upside down, then you have a snap ring. No,
Rubber
that's
top.
rubberized steel. It's weird, and then the nut goes on top. So that should fix whatever issue Morgan says sounds like it's bottoming out. And then we're gonna put the airline back in tight, and then it'll stop losing air. And we'll be good to go. Morgan will be good to go. This isn't my car.
You always need to make sure your female is safe. This?
And then the snap ring goes on there. It's a weird one. It doesn't have like the holes to put the pliers in.
This is odd to get this on here. It's easier to take off, I feel like. Got it.
There you go.
Oh, is that Nick? Oh, I thought that was... Well, that feels a lot better than what it did before.
Yeah, it's not nearly as sloppy.
Yeah.
And then this bad boy goes on there. And then you got a new nut that comes with the kit. It's got the nylon locking ring in the top of that. Probably a torque spec for that, but we're just gonna make it good and tight.
Is there... It would say if
I don't know. It's not my car.
Not my problem.
Yeah, it does. 10 foot-pounds. Oh, that feels way better.
It does. That was all.
That was sloppy as hell. That's what that
I think it was this that was trashed.
Yeah, one of these.
One of them. I don't know which one.
It was one of them.
Definitely feels a lot better though.
Oh my gosh, yeah. All right.
Bolt her
Put
in.
it back in, get the car on the ground. And...
It's easiest to lower the car back to the ground, put the jack under the control arm to push the whole strut assembly back up through the strut tower. Hold the cowl up quick to get everything to line up. So then we retighten it and we're good to go. Probably want me to stand on the brakes or no? Probably wouldn't hurt.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
While Colby's working on getting the airline back together, in other news, the cage in Brendan's car is getting painted and put back together.
Go on another color and paint it. Get painted in 24 hours. That's good.
Yeah, we're a day out from paint. He has no idea what color it's getting painted. It is what it is. Definitely gonna have a lot more content on this thing as the weather warms up and the car's back together. New Teflon on the airline, that just needs tightened up yet. The wheel needs put back on with the OEM lugs we went to get. Shout out Fishers for helping us out there. And then we should be good to go.
On the other side.
I don't hear anything.
We'll know when we hit this bridge. For sure.
I rub it.
Sounds good to me.
There you go, Colby, you fixed the car. Well, Brendan fixed the car.
Brendan fixed the car. I replaced the actual pieces.
We all fix it.
We all fix it. We're a team. Remember that. Holding pressure.
Saturdays are for the content.
In the place.
Hell yeah, boys.
Alright, so we got it all fixed. The issue was that there was pressure lost and it was clunking. It sounded like a blown strut, just like a blown coilover sounds like. Same thing. So we replaced, it was just a rebuild kit from AirLift. Got it off Bag Riders. They were really helpful with that. Replaced it, took about an hour if we didn't have to go get other parts, and it's all set to go.
All we had to go get was the other lug nuts because like I said earlier in the video, the
lug nuts were...
The spline, yeah, they're aftermarket lugs. So the 7 spline wheel lock, Morgan had thrown it out, so he ordered a new one, or told her to order a new one, and it was the wrong one. So we beat a socket onto them, got them off, and we're just replacing all of them with OEM lug bolts.
Come take a look at this fitment right there. You can't achieve that fitment, Nolan.
The one thing that
Oh, we throwing shade here? Tell him. Smell like bitch in here.
the one tool that would have helped us that we kind of had to rig was the triple square.
Yeah.
For the strut
Yeah.
or the knuckle. Besides that, everything else have a 12-point 15/16 for the axle. Besides that, just simple hand tools. Not bad at all.
Gonna move on to content with the 240. Cage goes to paint tomorrow.
That'll be the next video.
See you guys. Remember, build it for you.